My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so I know, I have not done this in a while. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I just don't have the passion to be doing these. It's not even sneaker reviews. Like I haven't done any videos. Like I haven't done no reaction videos, no travel vlogs. I just came back from Japan and South Korea. Like literally yesterday, I just landed back. So I apologize to y'all. I just have not I just haven't been motivated to do anything. But I had the opportunity to get my hands on an early sneaker that will drop this Saturday. So I just wanted to give y'all early review, and I probably will be picking up those blue Kobe's. I think they blue or gray, whatever. They come out tomorrow, November the 12th or the 13th. I think it's the 11th. I'm not even sure the date, but it's a Wednesday. But I think it's the 12th. I think it's the 12th. I'm not mistaken, it's the 12th. But I will be getting those. So I will be doing another review. So you will get 2 reviews in this week. I'm in the elevator right now, so it's probably a little echo. But enough talking. Let's get to the review. So about to get off at this stop real quick, this floor real quick, so I can go get the shoe, give y'all this early review, and I'll be back after that to give y'all some proper information about it. Stay tuned. Okay, we got this black Jordan box. You know, nothing special. Nike Air. Nike right there on the lid, red. Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, Varsity Red, Black Summit White, size 8.5. So this is a personal pair, no reseller here. I feel like I ain't seen that in such a long time. All right, let's take this out the box, get this wrapped up. They be wrapping these shoes up, man, like a mummy nowadays. Like, Jesus, like, it be double wrapped. Like, it's just crazy. Look, I can't even get this out right now. Hold on, let me just put this take this out, put that to the side. Look, I forgot to put the lid on. I forgot to put the paper back in. Let me just take this out. This is a whole process. This is the video right now. Now, that's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, share. No, I'm playing. All right, we set this up. Boom, okay. And without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Chicago. Boom, okay. We got the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Chicago. Right off back, you see these white leather panels on the side with the black Nike swooshing leather. Air Jordan with the wings on the back. Varsity Red. Right here, you got Nike Air right there on the tongue. White tongue. Black laces is already in it. I think they come with some extra laces. I'm not too sure. If they do, they're in the box. It's a classic shoe. Nothing really too special about it, but it's just this, it's iconic. It's a special shoe. Red, white, and black. I just recently got rid of a lot of red, white, and black shoes I had. Like, I had Fire Red 5s and Fire Red 4s and all these other type of shoes that I had to get rid of because it was all the same colorway. Yes, it was different silhouettes, but all the same colorway. Excuse me, I had to take a sip of my drink. But, it's a pretty basic shoe. I'm pretty sure people gonna go crazy for it, but you never know. They might be selling like everything else is. But yeah, just want to give y'all a early look. Not really too much details I need to give y'all about. So let's go back to the house so I can really give y'all some detailed information about release date and price and all that good stuff. So let's get back there and yeah, I can tell you. Okay, we back at you. Hope y'all enjoyed that early review of the Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago. I am back home, as you can see. If you hear a little bit of noise in the background, I apologize. My fan is on because it is extremely hot right now. It's a hot day in California, so I got the fan on. So going to give y'all some quick information like I always do. This is off. Usually I go to Sneaker Bar Detroit, but for some reason I wasn't able to find no information off that website. But you know, on to next. This is House of Heat. Shout out to House of Heat. It will be up 3, 2, 1. Should be up right now, so you can read along with me. All right, the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Chicago returns November the 15th. So I was right. I said this Saturday. Retail price is $150. The Air Jordan 1 Low OG Chicago is officially making its long-awaited return for holiday 2025. Nearly a decade after its last release, first retroed in 2016, the low-top counterpart to the iconic Chicago High is finally set to reappear in its true-to-form build. This 2025 edition sticks to the same tried-and-true formula, highlighted by its classic mix of varsity red overlays, summer white leather panels, and jet black swooshes. The cuts, the panel shape, and branding remains faithful to the original, ensuring a release that feels authentic to the storied Chicago lineage. Updated details include slightly larger, better aligned swooshes, a closer nod to the 2016 pair, and modern refinements to materials and shape that bring the retro in line with today's standard. With its timeless colorway and deep roots in the Jordan brand history, the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Chicago has remained one of the most coveted versions of the model. Its return in the holiday 2025 promised to be one of the marquee Jordan releases of the season. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. There goes some more pictures if you want to get that. But I think I gave y'all enough little views of that. There we go. All right, turn this off real quick. So the question that I think that every sneakerhead should answer, well, sneaker YouTuber, excuse me, should answer when they do these sneaker reviews. Am I gonna get it? No. But that doesn't mean you should not get it. I'm not telling you not to get it. Listen, you like it, I love it. Get what you like, get what you want to rock. I'm just not buying shoes the way I used to. I really don't even want the Kobe's tomorrow. I might get the Kobe's because I know I'm guaranteed a pair. So I think I might get them, sit on them, and maybe use for a trade, or probably just return them and then get something else I want later. It's nothing. There's no shoes that's really coming out I want. I am going to get the Black Cat 4s because I had the Black Cat 4s and I got rid of them. But I think I want an all black Jordan 4. I think that'd just be cool just to have all, if I want to wear to work or something like that. And the Gammas come out next month. So I do want the Gammas. So, oh, and them rare Air 11s, which are sitting like ducks in the stores. I kind of want those. So we're going to see. I might get those. I don't know. It's a lot of shoes that I'm on the fence about. But Jordans are sitting now. Like the Fire Red 5s are black toes. I think it was the black toes, a black tongue or something like that. Whatever like that. I think they're still sitting like ducks in the stores. There's a lot of 4s sitting. So like 3s are sitting. So I mean, I just came back. Like I said, I just came back from Japan. And there was a lot of retros in the stores out there. So it's not, none of these shoes are something I really need to get fast because they're going to be there if I want to. So, and this just, I just don't want no Jordan 1 lows. Like and which is crazy because that's my favorite cut of the Jordan 1s are the lows. I love the lows. I don't really like the highs like that. I like the mids too. I like the mids. So if I had to put them in order, it'd be lows, mids, highs. I'm not really a fan of the highs that like that. But the Shattered Backboard is still sitting, speaking of Jordan 1 highs. But anyway, y'all let me know if this is a copper drop for y'all. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.